Hey guys, here we are with another truck update video on the 2001 Tundra. This is the fall update. This is like a small update on the Tundra. Recently we did a oil change and a tire rotation under maintenance wise, but the last video in my summer truck update I was talking about installing a subwoofer, and I actually got it installed in this update video. This is for the fall update. You might see it like right between the seat. What it is a kicker comp C10 with a kicker enclosed box. And I do have the amp under here. If you might not be able to see it with the poor lighting, but and it works really good, but I ain't gonna really do a demo because don't want to get no copyright strike, unfortunately. So let me go ahead and show you guys the current mileage on the truck, but please disregard that beeping sound. So we're currently at 123,000 miles, because that's when I did my change, which I gotta do an oil change again at 125,000. So yeah, but I did detail this truck not too long ago, and still looking good. I even did it on the inside, but mostly on the outside. It gets dirty a lot from the Louisiana weather, sometimes from piling or with sugarcane seeds and all that dust from them burning the sugarcane get all over your vehicles. So yeah, it's still looking good for almost like a 17-year-old truck, I believe. But there are some mods that I'm planning on doing later on, which I still got a few plans I wanted to do for mods, which are going to be coming in later videos, which I am going to eventually replace that stock third brake light for an LED unit and work on getting some black rims to make it look a lot nicer. And I'm thinking about removing these running boards and the bull bar when I do to remove the running boards, and possibly change this out to like a black billet grill, and definitely put some darker tint in the windows. So just kind of giving my truck a little blacked out look, and I might change out the TRD decals for some darker ones. So that's a little short truck update for you guys, and if there's anything else to come, stay tuned for more, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.